gym. It is a chilly morning, San Diego. Got my winter jacket on. Today I'll be doing core and glutes class, and then after that I should take my car for a car wash, and then back home, wash my hair, get my work done for Friday, and then get ready for dinner. I think that's a pretty good Friday. What do you guys think? So let's see. I don't think I can take my camera to the gym because they don't really like being recorded, which makes sense. They want privacy at the gym. But I'll see. Maybe I take my phone with me. Yeah. See you later. Just finished my gym workout. I got some footage with my phone. I hope you guys like it. And I am now going to get a car wash because my car is so dirty, as you probably could tell from my videos earlier. That the windshield was dirty. I just went on yellow, half red, yay. So heading to get a car wash. I brought my celery juice that I juiced in my juicer, and yeah, this is also part of my morning routine. Love having my celery juice in the morning, and I think I talked about it in my prior videos too. It's really good for immune system, for gut health, for metabolism, cleanses your body, cleanses all your insides. It's just so good for you. It has so many benefits that I cannot remember at this moment, but it does have. I will try to Google some and I will place them here. Yes, do it. Well, I'm just chilling. Good job. Look how close he goes. And I am heading to get a car wash myself. Just kidding. Get a shower, wash my hair, and I mean, it's 12 noon, but I'm slowly gonna start getting ready for dinner because I think we should probably do happy hour 6-ish and watch sunset. So I think that's a good idea. I've been into blue color recently, and okay, so I have this. I don't know how would I define it. It's not really a jacket. It's not really a coat. It's like jacket cover. And I have my Givenchy bag with some little charms. Let's see. You can see my little outfit like this. Love it, love it. It is a beautiful morning in San Diego. I am bundled up because as I'm always cold. It's just me. Driving for a hip hop class. So excited. I used to dance hip hop in high school. I was so good at it. I took my team for competitions. I was a trainer. I was a trainer for smaller groups. I also had my own groups that I was preparing for competitions, and I did competitions as well. And yeah, so I haven't danced hip hop since high school. I'm quite excited. So yeah, still gonna do that, and then probably gonna stroll around farmers market for a bit. And after that, I don't know, probably do some coffee shop work, organize my house a little bit, take it easy, hopefully see some sunset today. I don't know guys, would you love to see some sunset? I'm wearing my ski jacket. It's so warm now. I was so cold earlier. It was 42 Fahrenheit. Literally. Angle is better. Can you guys see me? And that's Balboa Park to the left. It's so nice when my car is clean, and that's why you guys can actually see what's happening outside and how beautiful it is. It just makes it nicer, right? 55 right now. Yeah. Fit Little Italy, here I come. Okay, so finished at the gym. Did my hip hop class, which was awesome. You know what? I get so bored from traditional workouts and Pilates and yoga. I mean, I don't get bored from yoga, but I didn't find a good yoga class that was at this time. And I just wanted to give something new a shot, and that was fun. I got rid of my ski jacket because it's getting warmer right now, and I'll try to show you my outfit heading to the farmer's market. This is my I got ready in 2 minutes outfit. So let's go grab a fresh juice first, and then we're gonna go walk around farmer's market. It's getting warmer here, so I don't really need a turtleneck, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna go home after this and change. But you know what? I'd rather be warm and cozy than be cold, okay? Little charms are here. I love these. Look at these. I love them. Obsessed, obsessed. Okay, let's go. Now this is exciting. There's an Argentinian-inspired steakhouse coming to San Diego. That's Little Italy. It's gross. Well, I got my soda juice. I thought they're gonna juice it in front of me, but they actually had it already made. So let's see. Let's try this. Straight up soda. I can't even open it. It's like this. Not bad. I choose happiness, and the happiness cost me $9. Not bad. Okay, let's go to the market. Changed my top to my Hong Kong hoodie. Okay, I want to show you guys everything I bought at the farmer's market. Some fresh spinach, cherry tomatoes, then a set of, I don't know, can you see it? It's strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries. so yummy. Avocados. Then I got more apples. Apples, they smell so fresh, love it. I also got some passion fruit. We're curious how passion fruit looks like. It's like this. I don't know, it just looks like some kind of plum. More little apples. That's not a lot, so that's what it looks like. Again, changed my clothes. I made a breakfast / lunch. So today I had tofu scramble with some cherry tomatoes and spinach that I got from farmer's market, and I had a little bit of homemade gluten-free bread. That's it. It was pretty simple. It tasted really delicious. Then I had a little snack after. I had a banana with a little bit of tahini, and it was really good. I usually have it with almond milk or peanut butter, but that makes it too sweet. But I guess tahini gives it a little bit of like salty flavor. I loved it. Heading to coffee shop to get some work done, and I'm gonna try to watch sunset from somewhere, and I'll take you guys with me. Heading to Bird Rock because that's the place I usually go to. They have really good coffee. That's probably in my top 5 coffee shops in San Diego if I have top 5 list. I really like Bird Rock. I like Mostra Coffee. There's another coffee shop I really like. I just cannot remember the name, but when I Google it, I find it usually. Changed a little cozier now. I have a t-shirt underneath. You saw me today. I changed, like I went from full-on winter to summer, and now I'm back to fall. So it's like, this is the weather in San Diego, so it's like, it's so unpredictable. It's super warm right now, but it does get colder later. Anyways, so sunny, so nice. Yeah, that's it for now. Super chill, super relaxing Saturday. There's so much cars everywhere.